Yeah, definitely. Out of all the micro or mini P-51s, this is the best in terms of its slow flight characteristics. Look at that. That's crazy. Dom here from Essential RC with Trev on camera from Flying Fin RC, and today we're looking at a new P-51. We do get a few of these and have reviewed quite a few of these on the channel, and they are getting progressively better and better. And what I do like about these is that for anybody who's interested in trying, and I emphasize trying, radio control model flying, then these are good because they are very durable. They fly for a long time and you don't have to put them together. They come ready to fly and you get everything that you need in the box. So let's take this out of the box and see what it looks like. So there we go, we've taken the polystyrene carton out of the cardboard box, and this is literally what you get. Let's take this out first. So there we go. Nice size. It's a little larger, I would say, than your regular ready to fly mini P-51. Nice scheme. Some rivet detail on the wings and panel detail, and importantly you've got a cockpit, you've got a pilot in the office in the cockpit, which is nice. Does look good. So you get two propellers with it. Oh, let me just take those out. 4-bladed as well with a blue spinner, nice to integrate with the scheme. And then in the bag that you get wheels. You've got 2 flight batteries in there, the USB charge lead, and the tail wheel as well. So if you're flying off asphalt tarmac, then fine, attach the wheels. Otherwise we fly off grass, then just don't bother attaching those and hand launch it. I don't like flying them, you know, with a full-size P-51, the wheels go up, don't they? They retract. So I wouldn't like to fly this with its wheels dangling down. So I'm not going to bother, even if I was flying off a hard surface, I wouldn't bother attaching them anyway. I would hand launch it. Anyway, so let's put the propeller on the front. That just pushes on the front, and put the battery in, and put some AA's in the transmitter, which is underneath. Let me pull that out. It's a standard type of transmitter, 3 different flight modes, beginner, mid and expert on there, and actually it's got the Aerobatics button as well. So if you're a relative beginner or a total newbie to flying RC model aeroplanes, then what you can do is put it in a mode where it doesn't let you roll inverted, which is really good for beginners, and you can use that button to do the aerobatics for you. Handy. Might even use that myself. Anyway, let's put the batteries in it and let's go fly. Okay, doesn't that look good? All right, we're going to put the battery in. I will just turn on the transmitter. The light on the transmitter is flashing away. So you go up, down to arm the motor. Done that, and then it's a case of squeezing in the battery. And it's usually the way with these things, it goes in a particular way. Okay, goes in vertically. Done that. Brilliant. That's good. Then it's all about deciding which mode we take off in. So from experience, I'm going to take off in mid mode. The problem with beginner mode is it won't give you a lot of bank angle, so you can't turn very quickly, and before you know it, it might go out of sight. So mid gives you about 45 degrees of bank angle. Expert turns off the stabilization altogether. Okay, ready, Trevor?
Yeah.
Here we go. Wouldn't be surprised if you missed that.
Oh, I think I got it.
Wow, I'm only on half throttle. It's flying quite nicely.
Needed a bit of down trim. Alright, let's bring it back. Just try and fly nicely for the cameraman.
It floats along.
Yeah, it looks like it flies nice and slow.
Wants to climb. Right, full power. Wouldn't say it's especially fast, but it is flying quite nicely. Now I'm in mid mode, so I can't, it won't. Oh, it does let me loop. Beginner mode wouldn't let me do that. Bring it round. Oh, there's a roll. That was using the Aerobatics button. And there's a loop using the Aerobatics button. This has got a functional rudder as well, which is nice. Whoa! Did you like that?
Yeah. High level aerobatics.
Well,
Right, we're back in action.
the thing I would say about this is the slow speed characteristics of this one are very good. It does fly nice and slow. I'm only on a third throttle, and look at that. Which makes it even easier for someone who's new to flying. And very manoeuvrable as well. I'm using a little bit of rudder as well. Yeah, definitely. Out of all the micro or mini P-51s, this is the best in terms of its slow flight characteristics. Look at that. That's crazy.
It's got quite a big battery as well for
Yeah.
one of these things.
It's not the standard silver small single cell battery. It's quite a bit bigger than that. No excuses, Trevor. You should be getting some good footage of this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the rudder's very effective as well, I'd say. Yeah, it won't let me roll inverted. It is letting me do loops though, in mid mode. Now, if I do expert mode, which is classically very sensitive. It is still quite sensitive, I would say, but flyable. That's pretty good for expert modes on these things. I'm going to put it, but more comfortable to fly in mid mode.
It's quite a blustery day as well.
Yeah, we've got the calm before the storm now, I think. You can see the rain. See that rain in the distance? All right, one more pass and then I'm going to come into land. Zero throttle. Just let it come down. There it is.
Nice.
Yeah. Without doubt, that is the easiest to fly mini P-51 that I've ever reviewed. And I think that is because it's slightly larger. I think they've probably tuned the gyro system on this, but it does look really fantastic as well, I have to say. And I hope that's reflected in the video there that Trevor's captured of this Miss Helen P-51 Mustang. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to look up the price But thanks for watching Essential RC. We really enjoy doing these and trying to share with you some of the easier ways to get into radio control model flying without spending lots of money. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Trev on camera. See you soon. Bye. There we go. Good stuff.